Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This is basically an unboxing and a quick review of this Andycine or Andycine, however you pronounce it. But it's basically a on-camera microphone that can be used on a DSLR or for an iPad or for your phone, and also can work with your computer. Basically, I bought this just to kind of support my video channels. Videos that I'm about to, or a series of videos that I'm about to put out. So without further ado, let's get on to this video of this camera. Just having a quick look at the box, it gives some specifications. It says compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, and consumer camcorders. All metal microphone body, so it's I think similar to a well-known brand. I think it's Rode, and says no battery required. Obviously it uses the power supply of your camera to do that. Standard kit, it says it's got a microphone body, windshield, a deluxe windshield, obviously the smartphone audio camera cable, as well as the camera audio camera cable. So there's a slight difference between the two cables that you need to use when you're using a smartphone as well as onto a DSLR camera. But later on we'll see how the audio looks like when using this camera. You've got a quick view of the frequency response of the camera. And it says some information with regards to the polar pattern. I've got no clue what these are. Hopefully you will see some improvement to the audio going forwards. But without further ado, let's rip this open and have a look. Relatively straightforward. Some marking from the Andycine website. Let's see. Okay, it comes in this plastic case. Right, you've got some guidance material, obviously. It says user manual, again the same type of frequency response data, notices, don't really care what they are, what's in the box, so hopefully we've got everything in the box. Right, let's see. Okay, so it comes with the shoe mount as well, and it's got one of the windshields pre-installed already, so it's not the deluxe one. The deluxe one is the other one, but yeah, it's got a good weight to it. Definitely all metal. Looks good. The model is AC-M1 video microphone. And it's got this deluxe windshield, so obviously if it's a very windy day you can use this. If not, if you're using well, if it's an ordinary day you can use one of these where you don't have much wind. But definitely when you have wind, I find these do a remarkably good job. Obviously this is not a premium audio camera, but you can still use it. Okay, so you've got two cables, one for your DSLR camera, comes up with that label, and obviously this is for the smartphones, and it's also got another shoe mount, so obviously probably it's definitely not premium at all. It's very hard plastic. I'm not even sure whether it actually does the job of absorbing any shocks when you're videoing it, but I guess comes up free, why not use it? Right, okay, so that's basically it with regards to the unboxing. I'll have a play around with this and see if there's any improvements to the audio. Right, we'll be back soon. Right, welcome back. So now I'm using the Andycine microphone. So I'm hoping you can hear a difference between the previous recording and this recording. Hopefully a sound improvement. But one thing I forgot to mention is the type of cable, or the difference between the two cables. As you can see from on this one, this is for the smartphones. You have the 3.5mm jack, but you've got 3 steps or 3 points to this jack. But whereas the other end, you only got 2. So for the DSLR, both ends, you've got this type of connector. Whereas for the smartphones, you've got slightly different, because that's basically separating the headphones as well as the mic. So that's why you need to use this for your smartphone. But that's basically it. Hopefully you can see a difference between this microphone and using the inbuilt microphone of a GoPro or DJI Osmo, etc, etc. But yeah, hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe and hit the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.